Hello, this is the demo, the Wimba demo associated with the first week of our Teach Online course. The purpose of this demo is to show you how you can set up a header in your online course site. And that header can include an image, or you do not need to include an image. I'm going to show you a demonstration that does include an image because people in the course have been asking about that. So I'm going to share my computer screen using Wimba, and I will give you a demonstration of this. So now I'm sharing my computer, and I am going to show you the process for setting up a header. When you're on the Build tab, you will have access to several buttons that allow you to add files, create folders, add content links, and also add headers and footers and so forth. To add the header, you will first click on that Page Options button that's at the upper right of your screen, and you'll select Edit Header from the pop-up menu that comes up. Now you're going to get that familiar blank screen with a button above it that says Enable HTML Creator. Now, that's important to always enable that unless you happen to know HTML code, and you could write HTML code to make your page look right. Otherwise, most people are always going to want to enable that HTML Creator. So that will give you a set of tools that look a lot like Microsoft Word, with options to center text, to make text bold, to add images, and that kind of thing. So here we have our header area with the tools that allow you to adjust it. I'm going to place my cursor in the window, and I'm going to start by adding an image. I click on this mountain icon over here. That little button will take me to a screen where I can insert an image. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to browse to my local computer. And I can do that. You can see I have several areas where I could get files from, but I'm going to go to my computer because I've placed my image on the desktop. And I'm going to find my CSS Logo 3 file. And when I double click it, it comes right into that window there. I say OK. I provide alternate text in case somebody has visual difficulties. Say OK. And my image will appear in this window, then allowing me to center it if I like. To center it, I would click on it to select it, and then simply press the center button. Now I want to go down a line and start entering my welcome message. To get down a single line, I'm going to hold my keyboard. I'm going to push down my Shift key. You can't see this on the screen, but I'm going to push down my Shift key and then push the Enter key. And that takes my cursor down one line. Now I'm ready to write my welcome message. To get down another line, so I can add the instructor name, I'm going to again hold down my Shift key and press Enter. Now I'm ready to format my text. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on this A to bring up a bunch of different options for font colors. You can see I have all these options, and I could get more colors if I wanted to, but I'm going to be happy with this navy blue. So I'm going to go for the navy blue. Then I'm going to make it bold, and I will add I will change the font size to 18, and I will change the font type to a simple Arial. Now, as I look at it, I see that the instructor line looks too big. So I'm going to make that font size smaller by just selecting that one line and going down to 14. Now I can click Save, and I'm happy with my header, and there it is on my page. So that is how you can go ahead and add a header to your course. I am now going to stop this archive, and I'll post this Wimba recording for your later access. If you have questions, please go ahead and ask them in the question and answer area.